If you're looking for the best RAM for gaming or work, then you should take a look at DDR5. DDR5 is both increasing in frequency and capacity, and the most recent memory modules from Intel, the 600 series and 700 series motherboards, are able to support 24GB and 48GB DDR5 memory modules. With this upgrade, a regular 4-DIMM motherboard can now have up to 192GB of RAM, and small form factor systems can use up to 96GB, a huge upgrade from the amount of RAM mainstream systems could use before the introduction of DDR5. Unfortunately, AMD 600 series motherboards won't immediately be able to support the 24GB or 48GB memory modules, as they need a firmware update first, which will possibly be part of the upcoming AGSA 1.0.0.7 firmware. Some AM5 motherboards are already able to boot with the 24GB DIMMs, but other issues arise, suggesting the need for optimization is more than just regarding capacity and is affecting the RAM's functions. As of now, motherboard vendors are still in the process of transitioning from 1.0.0.5C to 1.0.0.6, so it could be weeks or even months before the Combo M5 Pi 1.0.0.7 firmware is released, with the capability to support 24GB and 48GB DDR5 memory modules. In the meantime, if you're thinking of upgrading with a large amount of memory, you should hold off until the new firmware is released if you own an AMD 600 series motherboard. The improvement of DDR5 in both frequency and capacity is an exciting development for both gamers and workers, as it will enable them to access large amounts of memory without needing to switch over to an head or workstation platform. We'll be keeping our eye out for the release of the new AGSA 1.0.0.7 firmware and the compatibility it brings with AMD 600 series motherboards. Until then, those with a large memory requirement should wait it out.